I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by optimizing the path between you and the cloud. First, plug into Ethernet if possible. It cuts latency and jitter compared to Wi-Fi. If you must use wireless, switch to 5 GHz and place the console near the router. Once done, close all apps and enable game mode or high performance on your device to prioritize CPU/GPU resources. Make sure system and app updates are applied. Then reboot your router and streaming device to clear caches and reset connections. Now you refine the network for consistent throughput. You should assign a static IP to your console and enable quality of service on the router to prioritize Xbox Cloud packets, which reduces spikes. Next, open the Xbox app settings and lower resolution or enable low latency mode if your link is unstable. This trades visual fidelity for responsiveness. Make sure no large downloads are running on other devices, and if you see NAT or UPnP problems, forward the recommended ports to the console. Finish by eliminating local sources of lag and validating your route to the cloud. Use a wired controller or ensure Bluetooth is clear of interference and batteries are full to avoid input delay. Test different server regions in the app if available. Switching regions can improve routing and drop latency. If problems persist, run a speed and jitter test. If jitter or packet loss is high, plug into Ethernet and restart modem, router, and console. That single restart often clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.